In the last episode of Molecular Machines for Dummies, we talked about glycolysis, which is the first big step in the process of cellular respiration, which generates energy from the food you eat. Glycolysis turns the 6-carbon molecule of glucose from your food into a 3-carbon molecule called pyruvate. In this episode, we are going to talk about what happens to pyruvate after glycolysis. This involves the Pyruvate Dehydrogenase complex, or PDC, which is the next step of how your body gets energy from glucose. Remember, the body must break down glucose in order to use it. Your body can turn glucose into adenosine triphosphate, or ATP, through many steps in cellular respiration. ATP is simply what your body uses for energy. Like a car uses gas, your body uses ATP. The PDC takes pyruvate and converts it into a 2-carbon molecule called acetyl-CoA, which can then go through other processes and end up making ATP for energy.
Here's how the PDC works. There are 3 main components of the PDC, E1, E2, and E3. Each have an important role in creating acetyl-CoA. E1 removes 1 carbon from the pyruvate and releases it as carbon dioxide, or CO2, which is what you breathe out. This creates a 2-carbon molecule. E2 has arms that can move compounds between the 3 components of the PDC. The arms take the 2-carbon molecule from E1 and attach it to a coenzyme called CoA. This forms acetyl-CoA, which goes on to make ATP in different processes. From this reaction, the arms are energized with electrons. E3 regenerates many things that PDC used earlier, like the arms. In this regeneration, the energized arms can transfer their energy in the form of electrons to electron carriers, called FAD and NAD. These are also used to make ATP later on in the process of cellular respiration.
PDC is very important in our bodies. Its functioning keeps us healthy and active. If components of PDC malfunction, like E3 for example, your body cannot make enough ATP. This can affect regions of your body that use a lot of energy, such as your muscles, heart, and the brain. Additionally, a defective E3 can also create reactive oxygen molecules that affect the tissues in our body. Many of these defects are associated with various diseases, so it is important for us to understand the functionality of PDC so we can better treat people. I hope you enjoyed this short summary of PDC, and we'll see you next time on Molecular Machines for Dummies, where we will discuss ATP synthase.